Yo, yo, yo! We take a ride going to Mount Pearl, guys, because we are hungry. That's why we go to Oshushi restaurant. Oshushi! Oshushi! Oshushi, guys! Oshushi! Oshushi!
Alright, we're heading to the restaurant now, guys.
Guys, wow, guys. Hello.
You can see the place are so amazing and the staff here are very welcoming.
Check this out, guys. So nice.
I-try na lang natin yung sandwiches.
You can see a lot of choices from the menu, guys. Hello, guys. Hala, dagan na kayo eh. Dagan dito, guys. As in. Oh my god. Mickey boy, Mickey Connie boy. Yeah, yeah. This one is chicken, and the other one is
Seafood mix.
Seafood mix. Right, guys, tilawan na to, guys. Wow, napaka-avocado ni guys. Wow. Spicy salmon.
My God, lami ako kayo.
Lami kay guys.